Travelers going to Uganda do need to complete a health declaration form. It's very straightforward, and so what you need to do is go to the official link, and I've listed that in the description below. Once you're on the website, you can start by clicking on Arriving. It's now going to ask you about your port of entry into Uganda. You can see here they have several options. Likely you're going to be flying into Entebbe, but enter in whichever one works for you. You're also going to need to select your date of arrival and your purpose of arrival into Uganda. You've got a few different options here. Select whichever one works for you. Once you've selected the purpose of your trip, go ahead and complete those next questions. They're going to want to know where you're coming from, and this is where your journey to Uganda began, which countries or regions you visited in the past 21 days, your flight or vehicle number, your address while you're in Uganda. This could be your hotel. They next want to know about you. Go ahead and complete those details as per your passport. And then once you're ready, go ahead and scroll on down. They're next going to ask you some questions about how you feel. Go ahead and answer these questions truthfully. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click Submit Declaration. You're then going to be taken to this page. It's going to have a QR code. Save that QR code and show it to immigration officials. And that's it. It's that easy.